Now let's install Python into our local machine. To install Python into our local machine, go to your browser and then go to your URL section and type python.org. Just search for python.org and click on the first link, so it should take this website to you. And now you need to hover over download and click into this button. If you are using Windows like me, you would have a label or text over here, download for Windows. If you are using Mac OS, you would have download for Mac OS. But if you don't have any option over here into your computer, you can always download it from this section, okay? However, by default, there should be download available for you. So just click on this button. It should download Python version 3.9.0. So what you need to make sure is you download Python version which is above 3. Don't download Python version below 3 because it won't work for this course, okay? So please download Python version above 3. I would cancel this download because I have already downloaded it to save our time. So let me open the installer to show how you can install it. Just open this Python, run as administrator, yes, and click on this small checkbox, add Python 3.9 to path. So it will add this to environment variable path, and click on install now. In Mac OS, you might not have this option, so just keep it default and go further. Press install in Mac as well. So just remain the default setting as it is and install the Python into your local machine. So it will take some time and will install all the necessary things needed for Python IDE. By the way, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's the place where you will write your code. IDE has all the things, all the tools needed to compile and interpret your Python code so that you can run your application. And once everything is done, just say close and you would be good to go. Now to check whether it has been successfully installed or not, just go to command prompt in Windows, and in Mac OS you need to go to command shell. Now here you need to write a command called python, python -version. All right. Again, if you are using Mac operating system, you need to write python 3 -version. But if you are using Windows, just write command python -version and press enter. It should give you a version. If it does give you version, it means Python has successfully installed into your local machine. Now next thing is we can write our Python code into this command prompt as well. For this we need to enter to REPL, which is read, evaluate, loop and print. So to enter to REPL, just enter Python. Again, if you are using Mac OS X, then you need to enter Python 3. Any version of Mac operating system, you would be entering Python 3. For Windows, you just need to enter Python. And like that, you're going to enter to the REPL, and here you can write your Python code which will be compiled. So for example, I can write print hello, and it will print hello. So congratulations, you have successfully installed Python into your local machine and run your first Python code. In the next video, we will install the text editor that is called VS Code, which we will be using to run our Python script. So see you in the next video.